Hello, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I have a new interesting topic, no? When we have to use when or ob in German. And this is a little bit a topic where I see my students struggle, okay? So every time I take a topic from my students, so really to help them and so to help you as well, because maybe it's also a problem for you. And and please remember, I have also a German course for beginners. You can check this out over here or in the description. It's free. You can learn with me and get your German to a next level. So let's get started now with our new topic. And like I said, we have two little words here, wenn and ob. And I recognize that sometimes people mix it up and don't know how to use them. So let's see now some examples and to master the use of those two words. So let's see the first example here. Ich esse Pizza, wenn ich Hunger habe. So I eat pizza when I'm hungry. Okay? So first thing, we need always main sentence. The main sentence here is ich esse Pizza, and then we have the sub-sentence, wenn ich Hunger habe. What means the sub-sentence? That means when pushes the verb to the end. So the verb in the sub-sentence, it's at the end. So actually, literally we say ich esse Pizza, wenn ich Hunger habe. I eat pizza when I hunger have. Sounds a bit like Yoda, no? I like to call it Yoda, German or English. But you can see better the structure in German. So, but you can say the same sentence in a similar way. You could say ich esse Pizza, ob ich Hunger habe oder nicht. And here actually meaning it's if I'm hungry or not. So here it's my first tip. If you add oder nicht, normally or always you use ob. No? In English you have also when and if, no? Most of the time when in English it's wenn in German, and if in English is in German ob, okay? But sometimes it's not really clear. But if you can add oder nicht, no, the negation here, you should use ob, okay? So let's see another example. And the second tip I have here, obviously I almost forgot this tip, is when you could ask for the sentence wann esse ich Pizza, no? When do I eat pizza? So wenn ich Hunger habe, no? When I'm hungry, no? You cannot ask this question for the ob sentence, no? Because you cannot ask wann esse ich Pizza, ob ich Hunger habe oder nicht. Doesn't make sense if I am hungry or not, no? When do you eat pizza? If I'm hungry or not, no, doesn't make sense. So always remember, when you could use wann, no, and you can ask for the information, then you can say, okay, it's for sure when. So both tips are quite useful. Ob with oder nicht, and when you can ask for with wann. Okay, let's see another example. Let's see if we can do this again. Ich mache Sport, wenn das Wetter gut ist. No? I make sports, I do sports when the weather is good. Again, the verb goes to the end. No? Wenn das Wetter gut ist. When the weather good is. Okay? And here, ich mache Sport, ob das Wetter gut ist oder nicht. No? I do sports if the weather is good or not. Okay? So two different situations. And again, in the first sentence we could ask, wann mache ich Sport? Okay, wenn das Wetter gut ist. And here I cannot ask the question, wann mache ich Sport? Ob das Wetter gut ist oder nicht? No, it doesn't make sense. Okay? Okay, but sometimes, it gets a little bit tricky. So, here we have a sentence. Schreib mir bitte, wenn du zu Hause bist. So, write me, please, when you are home. Okay? So, and we could say the same, again, the same sentence here. Schreib mir bitte, ob du zu Hause bist. No? Write me if you are at home. Okay? You could say if, but obviously you could add, if you want to, you could add oder nicht. No? You don't need to, you can leave it like this. No? Schreib mir bitte, ob du zu Hause bist. No? If you're at home. Or you can add it oder nicht. No? You have the option here, but you don't need to. And again, here it's tricky, but we could ask again, wann soll ich dir schreiben? When should I write you? No? Okay, wenn du zu Hause bist oder wenn ich zu Hause bin. Okay, so I should write you when I'm home. Okay, the question doesn't work for ob. No, I cannot ask wann soll ich dir schreiben. No, it's like just a question if you are home or not. Okay, so the three important things is here. When in German you could translate to when in English, and ob you can translate it with if. It's the first really important thing. Always remember, when and ob are sub-sentences, so the verb goes to the end. We use ob when we can add oder nicht, no? So we can add the negation. And we use when we can ask for this information with wann. Okay? So this is a little bit the overview when to use when or ob. I really hope you liked the video. Please leave in the comment where are the problems for you, and maybe you can also tell me something you struggle with, and I can make a video out of this. Please leave it like here, subscribe to my channel that you don't miss the next video, and that's actually everything for today. Vielen Dank und bis bald.